I am going to be doing a 24-hour challenge. I took your guys' constructive criticism last 24-hour challenge I did, in that you guys wanted to actually be 24 hours. You guys want to see from the start time to the finish time. So that is what I did this time. I did this challenge yesterday. So every single thing, kind of, aside from one thing that you'll see, but every other thing, including drinks that I consume, will be from the dollar store. So I'm gonna show you guys my little shopping trip and me looking at everything and seeing what I could get, pulling different things on the shelves and trying to create a 24-hour food menu for myself right here. All right, let's go get my meal. Maybe mandarin oranges would be a good breakfast. I don't know, let's try it out. Okay, olives. There's so much. What is this? Look at this. Thai lime. Oh, I could make a really good supper with this. Mushrooms. Cream of broccoli soup. Spaghetti.
Thick and zesty.
Yes. Tuna.
Chicken?
No.
Chicken. Just get the chicken.
Lots of different snacks. Yeah, and then that one. Red one, yeah. 2 for $1. Let's grab some of these. Fruitios or Frosted Flakes. Luckily, there is milk right here and it's almond. Oh, there's soy. There's actually a lot of stuff here, you guys. Like, there is new Reese Puffs. There is jam to go with bread. There's actually a lot that you can find here if you guys are wondering.
They're selling $2 for $1.50. What a no-brainer.
So that was that. So if you guys want to see like the recipes, me making these things, what I came up with and what I can eat for 24 hours, I'm going to share that with you guys right now. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys like these 24-hour challenges, you still like them, because I know a lot of people request me to do them. If you still like them, give us a thumbs up so I know, so you can make your voice be heard, girl. And I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, it's 9:48 p.m. and I am going to have a snack before bed to start this 24-hour challenge. Okay, so we made a floor bed because we're gonna watch a movie, and my snacks for the movie are these Dollarama chips that are ketchup chips. So we're gonna test them up right now. $1 for this whole bag. $2. They smell very good. This is what they look like.
They're big.
Yum. Oh, yum. They're crunchy, potatoey.
Ketchupy, lacking a small bit of flavor.
Yeah, they're a little bit bare.
But for $2, can't go wrong.
It's a big bag too. They're a little bit tangy. Than regular ketchup chips. I feel like regular ketchup chips are just like sweeter. I like these. They say they're gourmet. Look, the potato has a tie. He's classy.
Fancy.
He's a spud. See you tomorrow. Alright, so for breakfast, what I'm having is Fruitios. They are fruity, and they're by the brand Soul Source, $2.50. We're gonna see if they taste like Fruit Loops. With soy milk, unsweetened soy. And finally, last but not least, we're gonna get some fruit in our system, because Fruitios probably aren't a good source of fruit. Or maybe they are, maybe I'm exposing them. I mean, the monkeys seem to think so. Whole segments.
She said the monkey seems to think so.
Whole segments mandarin oranges with light syrup. I'm hyped for it. Let's go. Let's see what we got. What do we got in this can? Oh, yeah. They look pretty good. All right. Oh, okay. Okay, sis. They look pretty good. They're nice and plump and juicy. I am most curious about the taste, but they look and smell really good. Honestly, getting this for $1, I'm probably gonna start buying my soy milk there. This is why we do these videos, because you never know what exact brands you buy at a store. You can get the exact brand for way cheaper. It's like the no-brainer. Oh yes, oh yes. Now I don't wanna hear any comments about me putting my milk in first. Leave those to yourself. Woo, Fruitios, Fruitios. I wanna be like the spokesperson for Fruitios. Oh, okay. Oh. Ew! Smell these.
Ew.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's like sour dust. Oh.
It's got like no flavor to them.
Oh, Fruitios. Here we go. Ha hopes for a living. They look so pretty, actually. This is an Instagrammable breakfast. Looks pretty Instagrammable to me. Going right on my story. Okay, I'm gonna get into the cereal first so that it doesn't get soggy. Scoop of it, of all different colors. There we go. Oh my goodness. I'm not even kidding. It literally is, I'm not kidding, crunchy cardboard. There's not like even one speck of sugar in here. It just tastes stale. Like you've left Fruit Loops out for 2 years opened in your cupboard. It's unsweetened soy milk. It tastes just like how it is in the store. Good. I'm really glad about that. Oh my God. There's so many other different options. Maybe you would like this. I don't know. I am not a fan. I cannot. I'm just gonna have fruit for breakfast. We are a vegetarian. Oh my God, these better be good. I'm now worried. Yum. Anyway, so delicious. Look at that. Mmm, okay, nice and juicy. I really enjoy these. Okay, they're nice and juicy. They're tart. They're not too sweet. Shugsy's taking a bite. I really need to see if he's gonna eat it. Oh, yeah, loves it. Well, Shugsy loves everything, so.
Did he eat the trash cereal?
Okay, so that's all I can eat of this. One thing just for breakfast, like it being kind of sweet. I'm more like of a breakfast sandwich and hash brown kind of girl. I didn't even take one other bite of this. This is a no-go for me. Time for our next meal. Okay guys, for lunch we have cream of broccoli soup that I got for $1 that I'm gonna use soy milk to make this with that I got from the dollar store. And then as a side, I got, oh Jesus help me, Dollarama brand tuna. And what I'm gonna do with this is make like a tuna salad with Miracle Whip that I bought at Dollarama. Onion powder, I'm gonna put it on crackers that are tomato basil. And then to wash it all down, I have this sparkling fruit to orange mango. Let's do it. The only thing I'm worried about is this tuna fish from the dollar store that isn't in a fridge. Kind of freaks me out, not gonna lie. Hello, are you gonna have some lunch with me?
No tuna though.
This is what it looks like. We have, oh geez. So I'm gonna drain some of the liquid out. Let's do this. Oh my goodness. It looks so different than brand name tuna. I didn't even check the expiry date on here. Oh, it doesn't expire till November. Good. Here is what the Miracle Whip is looking like. We're gonna throw some mayo in here. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder in here too to give it some kind of seasoning. The garlic powder smells really good. This is what it looks like. $1 for spices, you guys. Spices are crazy expensive in the store. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this garlic powder. Stir it around. It is the consistency is way more mushy than I'm used to with regular, like brand name tuna, I should say. Okay, so I have my soy milk from the dollar store and my cream of broccoli, and this says to whisk soup mix with 3 cups of cold water and 1 cup of milk. I think because I'm using soy milk, I'm gonna do 2 and 2. Just because this is very thin. I kind of want it a little bit more creamy. Let's see how this is. I'm kind of worried about the tuna. I really like tuna, but that literally looks like slop. So I'm kind of a little bit worried. So I hope this soup turns out. I'm really glad I got something else. Let's make this soup. 2 milk and a little bit less than 2 of water. Here is what the soup mix looks like. Let's just go ahead and pour it in and hope for the best. This is what the soup looks like. It looks pretty good actually, very appetizing. It says to add fresh broccoli to it, but Dollarama didn't have any, so we're just gonna have it as this, and this looks promising. Yum, this looks good. It looks really good actually. They're in little individual packs. It'd be good for trick-or-treaters. Oh, these are cute actually. Ooh. Oh, they're so fragrant. They smell very good. This is our lunch. This one we are not gonna post on Instagram. Just obviously looks very sloppy. It doesn't look like typical tuna fish. It looks very, very wet. Oh, yum. Ballin'. Okay, good. Now, let me clarify. It's not that great. It does taste very like fake, very, very salty. It's very salty. I wouldn't know if this was cream of broccoli, put it that way. It kind of just tastes like, chicken noodle, to be honest. It has a very like salty, creamy yet watery taste. But it's not bad. Like, I'm gonna finish that bowl because I'm hungry. Let's move on to the fish. Just grab some of this. Okay, the first thing is, wow, those crackers are overwhelming. They're very tomato basil-y. The tuna's not bad. It does have a very aluminum taste. That's what I'm tasting immediately. These crackers are quite overwhelming, but this is really good together, actually. And how much did I spend on this lunch? I'm not a fan of like sparkling drinks too much, but this has 0 calories. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, it's not bad. You know what, I'm going back in for more tuna and crackers. I can definitely tell the quality of the tuna, 100%. Just has a very like bland taste. If I didn't add the mayo and the onion powder with it, there would be no flavor. But I think my favorite thing of lunch is this soup. I'm a soup hoe, like 100%. Okay guys, finished lunch. I ate pretty much all my bowl of soup. I really enjoyed that actually. I like these crackers. I didn't eat all this because it got kind of just like bland and weird after a while, like very like sloppy and mushy. So I just started eating the crackers on their own. And this I just don't care for. So I'm gonna clean up this here, and then as I just sit and edit right now, I'm gonna have a bottle of water that I also obviously got from Dollarama. Pop top right here. Whoa! Why did I do that? Yum! Actually, kind of tastes a little chlorine-y. Oh well. I'm making Austin try the crackers, this, and the soup.
Okay, it's not horrible.
Why would it be horrible?
Because it's from Dollarama.
Drink.
It's got a really bad aftertaste.
Yeah, it's gross.
Crackers aren't bad. Barely tastes like tomato and basil.
Oh, I feel like it has strong tomato and basil taste.
It just tastes like a basic soda cracker to me.
I'm having a snack now because I'm kind of hungry. Green stuffed olives for $1.50. What? I said green stuffed olives. They're stuffed green olives. Two different things. I really like olives. Olives all around, baby. They look so good, don't they? Look at them. So we're gonna put some of these in a little unicorn bowl. You get a lot for $1.50. Kind of have a weird taste. I mean, they're good. Salty, briny. They have a slightly weird taste to them. They're still really good. Nice texture. Like maybe plasticky, just like slight like BPA or something. This is a good snack. I'm gonna have this with my water. Continue editing. It's now almost 4 o'clock and I am going to prepare my supper for the day. I have spaghetti. This was $1. Very good price for this. A whole thing of spaghetti for $1, you guys. You know what also I was thinking? If you guys are wanting to donate to like the homeless shelter or a food bank or something like that, if you just can't really afford it but you want to, like even like grabbing 10 of these, but it's like 10 bucks worth. Instead of giving $10 for a donation, if you want to donate food, like you can get 10 of these for $10. Just example. Or like this sauce, this was also $1. Yeah, this was also $1. Like something like that, you can donate in that way and you don't have to spend a lot. So anyway, I'm gonna do spaghetti with this sauce, and this is Primo Thick and Zesty Me, garlic and herb. And then I found these pieces and stems mushrooms for only 82 cents, which I'm gonna throw in the sauce as well and get those all cooking up. And then I found basil. Actually, my boyfriend found basil, but we found basil. This basil actually looks pretty good for $1. I am like shook. I didn't know at all that the dollar store had spices. I'm gonna crack this open right now and take a look at it. And then I have a drink, which I'm probably gonna throw it up. Oh.
Smells like basil.
An aloe drink. I'm burping, I'm so sorry. Pomegranate flavor, no pomegranates. And it looks like this. It has things floating in it because it's an aloe drink, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It smells like Jello. Woo, that's sweet. Oh, it's good. Only 20 calories. Oh, looks yummy. Oh, smells really good.
That actually smells delicious.
Wow.
I like this can opener. Where'd you get it?
I don't know. A grocery store somewhere. It's not Dollarama, so we're fake. Oh, okay, so these mushrooms look really good to me. Throwing the mushrooms in. I don't know if I'll use them all, but I'm very excited about this right now. Well, there's a lot of mushrooms in that can for 80 cents. We're gonna have spaghetti for days. Meal prep. This is looking good, so I'm gonna sprinkle some of this basil in. Stir it around. Yum. Sauce is ready. Spaghetti is ready. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See, now I would take some olive oil and put that in here, but cannot because I didn't purchase olive oil. Throw it back in the pot. Yum. Okay, this looks good. Yum. Okay, this looks really yummy. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit more of this basil over top of it, and bam. So here we go. This is the dollar store spaghetti. This looks like the best meal that I've had yet today. Let's try it. Oh my goodness, this looks really good actually. If you guys go to the dollar store just to like try some food, let me know what you guys get and how it turns out. Okay, Just saying that I cooked this pasta perfectly al dente. Just so everyone knows. The sauce is like kind of sweet a little bit, tangy. Mushrooms are good. This is a good pasta. This is definitely the best meal that I've had today. I'm probably gonna buy this pasta again, like 100%. I'm gonna buy my Miracle Whip there, and I'm gonna buy my spices there. And who knows, your dollar store might have cheese or, you know, some other things to make it even better. So don't doubt your dollar store. And he is eating it too.
It's good.
Okay, it is 1:17 in the morning, so this is past the 24 hours, but we slept and had a nap for way too long. We're only gonna have a nap for like half an hour, and it ended up being like 3 hours. Love that. And we're gonna watch A Quiet Place. The very last thing in the bag of Dollarama stuff. Tuna in a can.
Oh, ew, no.
And these are Biscolata sticks, milk chocolate, 11 sticks, cookie dick.
Cookie dick? You got cookie dick sticks?
Yum.
I don't remember approving of that.
Cookie sticks dipped in milk
They
chocolate.
look good. They look really tasty. Mmm.
So they're like fake Pocky. Yum.
These are actually good.
Mmm.
You want another one?
No, I'm gonna watch a movie with them. I'm so excited about this. This is probably the best thing. I think the best thing I had though today was supper.
The supper was good.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I may or may not have had a blizzard from Dairy Queen. A half of a small one, because you guys have been wanting me to try this new pinata blizzard, and it's only available for 5 days. So there's only 3 days left to get it. Tomorrow I'm not gonna be around to get it, and the next day I have plans all day. So today was kind of the only day for us to try it in the vlog, so kind of don't judge me. It was for the vlog, but it was really tasty. The water even I've been drinking today is from Dollarama, so I just wanted to be a little bit transparent of that. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, if you guys want to see more of these, just hit the thumbs up so I know, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. I hope you guys have a beautiful day full of laughter and smiles, and I will talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye guys.